like a spy. You're just gonna stab with a fork or something. No.
I'm gonna jump on you. I'm gonna jump on you.
You're gonna what?
Jump on you.
Say it one more time.
I'm gonna jump on you and
Don't, please, don't. Don't. Ah! Okay.
I can see his underwear.
Okay. Poopy. Okay. We're done here. We're done. Nice battle. You don't get a weapon. There's a nail clippers.
Get killed.
What?
I'm gonna kill you.
I'm legitimately scared right now.
Poopy, don't really kill her though.
You have like a switchblade? What'd you say, Poopy?
Look at his face.
Poopy, what'd you say? You're gonna what me?
What are you gonna do to sister? What are you gonna do to her with that?
What do you do? No.
Okay, Poopy.
Beat her up.
What are you gonna do with that, Poopy?
Don't, Poopy!
Uh-oh.
What are you gonna do with that?
This is gonna go horribly wrong. No, he's gonna end up stabbing himself! Don't do it! Ow!
Nice job.
Did you say all done?
He said gotcha.
Oh, no. Not me.
Here.
Let go of it! No! Stop! Aiden, look what you've done! No, not the nunchucks!
The homemade ghetto nunchucks.
Poopy has a freaking switchblade! And nunchucks! Stop!
I could get him.
What is this? Where did this come from? You made a switchblade! Oh my god, they're nail clippers. Where did you get these, Poopy?
Our room.
Okay, stop the video. Oh my god.
I'm not done yet.
Yes, we're done.